For Syslog Filter, to capture the syslog, point the syslog messages from the device or equipment to SendQuick server port number 514. To capture the Syslog filter, go to Filter Rules, Syslog Filter. Click Add New Record. Under Description, enter the description for the rule. In this example, we shall select From and Message for the rules. Check From. Enter the IP address of the device or equipment. Check Message. Enter the message. Under Match, select any. This will trigger an alert notification if any of the rules matches. Under Priority, you may select between 1, which is the highest, or 9, which is the least priority. In this case, we shall leave it at 5. Click Save after done. You shall see a new rule has been added. To configure for the alert, click View. Click Add New Record. Under the alert template, we shall leave it as default. Under Alert Mode, for once, the system will trigger alerts once only and stop. For once and report, the system will trigger alert once only, then send report. For escalation, the system will trigger alerts according to escalation level setting. For escalation and report, the system will trigger alerts according to escalation level setting, then send report. For this example, we shall leave it as once. Under Alert Receiver, enter the mobile number to receive alert. For multiple mobile number, enter on a new line. Enter the email address to receive alert. For multiple email address, enter on a new line. Click Save after done.